आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and Iman. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Faisalabad region. Students, first of all, raise your hand for dua. आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बी शरह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी व यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। आमीन या रब्बुल आलमीन। Students, today our hadith of the day is Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as-salatu imaduddin। आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया नमाज दीन का स्तून है। तो प्यारे बच्चों, जब हम एक इमारत जो है बनाते हैं, एक बिल्डिंग जब हम तामीर करते हैं, अगर उन स्तून ना बनाएं, उसकी दीवारें ना बनाएं, तो क्या छत कायम रह सकती है? यकीनन आपका जवाब जो है वो नफ़ी में होगा, नहीं रह सकती है। इसी तरह जो दीन इस्लाम की छत है, उसका जो स्तून है वो एक नमाज है। नमाज के बारे में कुरान मजीद फ़ुरक़ान हमीद में 700 से ज़ायद मरतबा ज़िक्र हुआ है। आपको पता है 700 से ज़्यादा क्यों उसका ज़िक्र हुआ है कुरान पाक में? क्योंकि इंसान का जो लफ्ज़ है वो नसियान से निकला है और उसके मायने है भूल जाने के। तो अल्लाह पाक ने कुरान पाक में हमें नमाज कायम करने का हुक्म दिया है और हमें चाहिए कि हम 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा करें। तो मेरे साथ आज आप लोग प्रॉमिस करें एक कि जो गर्ल्स हैं, जो हमारी बेटियां हैं, बहनें हैं, वो घर में नमाज अदा किया करेंगी, और जो बॉयज़ हैं, बेटे हैं, भाई हैं, वो कहाँ जाया करेंगे? मस्जिद में अदा किया करेंगे नमाज। क्लियर? ओके। Today our lecture number is 22. Open your English book from your bag. English book. Yes, good. Open the book page number 26. Book page number 26. And topic of this page is vegetables. Topic of this page is vegetables. Are you ready? Are you ready for students? Reading? Okay. Yes. What is it? Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is green. It is good for bones. Cabbage is green. It is good for bones. And next picture is tomato. Tomato. Tomato is red. Yes. What is the color of tomato? Tomato is red. It is good for skin. It is good for skin. And next, do you like this vegetable? Yes. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot is red. It is good for eyes. Carrot is red. It is good for eyes. And look at below. Yes. Students, tell me what is it? Potato. Potato. Potato is healthy. Potato is healthy. I like to eat potato. Students, do you like? I like to eat potato. Students, repeat this page with me. Cabbage is green. It is good for bones. Tomato is red. it is good for skin. Carrot. Carrot is red, it is good for eyes. Potato. Potato is healthy, I like to eat potato. Yes students, what is it? Yes, cucumber. Cucumber is, what the color of cucumber? Green. Yes, cucumber is green, it keeps us cool. It keeps you, me, cool. Cucumber is green, it keeps you cool. And next picture, yes, what is it? Corn. Corn. Corn is yellow, it is good for brain. Corn is yellow, it is good for brain. Students, now look at below, there is an activity. Yes students, help the monkey to find its food. Are you ready for help the monkey? Okay students, tell me. Monkey like bone, snake and eat banana. Yes. Monkey like to eat bones? No. Cross. Monkey like eat to snake? No. Cross. Only one fruits are remaining there. Yes, monkey like to eat bananas. So we had to monkey to find its food. Clear? Now students, take out an English workbook from your bag. Good. And take a pencil in your hand. Open the workbook page number 61. And topic of workbook page number 61 is write the names of given vegetables. Write the name of given vegetables. Students, these are the pics of vegetables. We write the name of these vegetables according to pics. Okay. First vegetable is, yes, cabbage. So we write here cabbage. Cabbage. What is the spell of cabbage? C-A, yes, double B A G E. Cabbage. Cabbage. And next pic, yes, carrot. Carrot. What is the spell of carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. 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 And next pic, yes, tomato. 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 And yes, students, tell me what is it? Potato. Good. So we write here spell potato. Yes. Students, tell me what the spell of potato. Is it right? Oh yes, yes. Good. Potato. Potato. Yes. Potato. Potato. And next, yes, cucumber. And what is the spell of cucumber? Cucumber. Cabbage, carrot, tomato, potato, cucumber, and last pick of corn. Corn. What is spell of corn? Corn. Corn. Cabbage, carrot, tomato, potato, cucumber, and corn. Students, question is, what is your favorite vegetable? What is your favorite vegetable? Students, you write your favorite vegetable and I write here my favorite vegetable. Okay, let's start. My favorite vegetable is my favorite vegetable is corn. No, is yes, my favorite vegetable is carrot. My favorite vegetable is carrot. So I write here carrot, and at the end we mark a full stop here. Student, if you like carrot, you write same sentence on your workbook according to your choice. To write the name of vegetable there. Okay, students, learn these pages carefully and take yourself fi manillah. Allah Hafiz.